We're here live on the scene. The MPM is taking away the goods of vendors. Their livelihood being threatened. It's breaking news.
No, we're going to selling them. Go for that.
I think it's a disgrace them take that man's shoes. And he's a poor man. They're wicked, you see.
And breaking news just then.
Jamaica's government declared a state of emergency.
Yeah, one of them would have foreign and commit all the crime then. And come back here to mash up the island with enough foreign style. A carjacking, extortion, and all type of fuckery.
No, some monsters we are creating.
Jamaican badman style. Yardman style.
We smoke hunts and we smoke ratchets in marinas and then crabber. So never ever you see a bad man a pro and tell him suck him murder. How a gun in your mouth make your teeth jump out, skin burn like a red ring grabber. Okay. How when you a talk about real bad man, you a talk Jamaican than Dada. Marrow in the air, drunk or seat and fight in yamit. Marrow in the air, the dogs and seat and all of vomit. Marrow in the air, the pilot seat and fly away from it. Marrow everywhere. Over there and over here. Them a bad man and them a boots one. Them know, hey, them know, hey. Them say them a bad man and them a boots one. And them know, hey, them know, hey. Rest me good in like your head and go so boom 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 boom. Fucking Jamaicans. Clip done. Badman style. Jamaican badman style. Walk, 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 walk. Kill them with tandem style. Jamaican badman style. Walk, 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 walk. Natty Morgan style. Way no fear nobody. Walk, 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 walk. Kill them with badman style. Way no fear nobody. Walk, 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 walk. Jamaican badman style.
Come on! Me say, me shot push the world people for fun. Who want to test me? Come on! You know who not bomber class ramp with? You know me? I am the original Jamaican Dandana. You understand? Jamaican road boy. I don't want to ramp with bomber class me. Come on. I murder people for fun. Murder on a bomber class for fun. Feed me a bomber class.
Tell them some me line carbine in a spine with a 9 where you shine with design to the crime. Anytime me no mind if I want me rejoin, come in and take a box down, me no Einstein. When me gun go sooner than a cripple or blind, but the fine cut fine like slices of pine, mother seat and ball. Cry say a sign, come me gun no decline to cut off lifeline. Clap in your head, damn me dash you one side, more left on the ground just like a landslide. Boy see me and me gun, running shot then team up like Buju Banton Van Side rub, shot in them head like an African pride. Change the skin color like a peroxide. You will make blood run through your head like cold spring water run out a rock side.
Set them a bad man and them a boots one. Them know, hey, them know, hey. Them say them a bad man and them a boots one. And them know, hey, them know, hey. Rest me gun in like your head and go so boom 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 boom.
Shot them.
Them know, hey. Rest me gun in like your head and go so boom 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 boom.
Shot them.
Badman style. Jamaican badman style. Give them it tandem style. Sonder Gangnam style. Badman style.
Wayne, you know that this is a big misunderstanding.
We can talk, you know, friend.
We don't have a pussy bomber ass class thing for talk about. After your police friend them try to kill me off last night. I kill off 7 of my friend them. 7 man was killed for putting you in a power. You come and talk about talk. Young bomber class thing we're going to talk is for GAngnam.
What about that visa thing I told you about? That deal still stands, you know.
48 hours, you know. We have 3 American visa. We have faxed all the necessary information into the office. Within an hour, yeah?
I will personally take care of it myself.
Don't fuck with me, no, Mr. Anderson. Now we have people outside there beating them school, outside their house, ready for fuck your wife, and outside their office too. Yeah?
You see, also, this is the ghetto of Kingston, see? Pure separation. You understand? Pure separation. This is the ghetto, you know, who go out the slum. See? This is where man born and grow up. You have to pick up the gun down and stuff to survive, see? And you have to be the fittest of the fittest, you know, see, to survive. But because see, I man live like a king in America. This is where I man come from. You know, so I deal with. I man just feel hurted for them youth down here. I feel hurted for them, see? And I try my best, things can change.